Hello friend, myself Rachana Singh, and if you're watching my video for the first time, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel so that I can post this kind of educational video for you guys. Today my topic is social stratification theory by Karl Marx. What is social stratification? Let's get into the video. Social stratification is a system by which a society ranks category of people in hierarchy. Like there is a perfect categorization on the basis of power and wealth, income, race, education, gender, occupation, etc. According to Karl Marx, there are various problems in our society. As Karl Marx was born in capitalist era, and in that era owner was dominating or exploiting labor class people in various ways. As per Karl Marx, any problem that occur in our society is due to only one reason, and that reason is money. Money is the only reason due to which our society is being ruined or damaged. Karl Marx says people are being either very poor or very rich. He doesn't mention about middle class people ever. As per him, our society stratifies into or can be categorized into five eras. They are primitive communism era, ancient era, feudal era, capitalism era, and socialism and communism era. Socialism and communism era is an assumpted era which Karl Marx expects to occur in future. Primitive communism era was classless society. In this era people used to gather food for themselves. They used to hunt animals for their survival. They were like a free soul. After a long time of period, people started hunting and reserving foods, due to which those people who cannot hunt started to work for those people who reserves their food so that they could survive. After classless society, ancient era took place, where people got divided into two parts, master and slave. Slaves used to work for their masters so that they could get food and clothes for their survival. From the era stratification started, which masters started exploiting their slaves in a cruel way. Exploitation took place for a long time period. When exploitation increases and it increased to the tip point, at that time feudal era took place. In this era, people were stratified into two groups, lord and serf. In this era, people with a huge land used to give their land to the serf so that they could cultivate and grow products, agriculture products in that land. The food which they used to cultivate, the landlord used to give them certain amount of food to save so that they could survive. When the lord started providing less food or agriculture products to serfs started raising their voice against it, which leads people towards capitalism era. In this era, people are divided into two groups, owner and labor. The Karl Marx says that when the exploitation crossed the level and the expected socialism and communism society took place. In capitalism era, the owners were exploiting labor by providing them minimum wages. When this exploitation will increase, communism can take place in future. So this was the main concept of social stratification theory. If you have any kind of confusion regarding this topic, kindly comment down below so that I can give you the reasonable answer for it. For today, this much only. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.